everyone, my name is Yejin Seo and I'm currently a sophomore in UCLA. I've always wanted to find a summer job when I visit my family and friends in Korea for every summer vacation. Then I finally found this great tutoring program, which feels like an exciting event that I would always love to go, rather than a boring job that I would do for the money. So I really want you guys to join this great opportunity to share your ability and talent for others and find the joy of working in your life. This digital app called 노리야놀자 is an early childhood care service program that matches you and the parents who need your service for their children. One of the greatest advantages of this program is that you can flexibly choose the time that you want to provide your service and the type of your care service. Then the app will automatically match you and the parents who fits under your conditions. In order to join this great program, first download the app called 노리야놀자. Then, you will need to sign up as a new tutor. Click the following button on the main page. Then, click the Agree button for terms and agreements for privacy policy. Now you can proceed to submit the application for the tutor position. Insert your name, phone number, birth date, and gender on this page. And also insert your best profile picture that you took recently. Choose the type of tutor that you want to apply for. If you are a college student like myself, choose the type P, Play Tutor, which is programmed for tutors of entry-level position. Submit your school information and document under the instructions that are shown on the page. Choose the location of education center and time that you are available for the basic learning seminars before you actually start working as a tutor and providing childhood care service for the parents. There are 2 education centers in Gangnam and Munjeong. After this step, then you have to wait approximately a day for the final confirmation. When you're confirmed, you just took a first step to become an official 노리야놀자 tutor. Have you watched the procedure I just introduced on this video? Before you start working as the tutor, the company will provide you the complete service and education for you to well conduct your job as the tutor with full confidence. I believe that this job is worthwhile for building an important cornerstone of your career before you move out from the college. You will get to learn and see how wonderful it is to be there for the children who need your help and share your heart with them. Are you ready to join us for this warm-hearted job? Please contact us through the 노리야놀자 app or the KakaoTalk Plus Friend account.